my Dozer's reaction to tornado siren in Aurora, Illinois. Dozy, what's that? What's that, Dozer? What's that? What's that, Dozy? Dozer, what's that? Let me turn up the volume. Dozer, 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 do you hear it? Aren't you gonna tip your head? You did it a couple minutes ago. You were just tipping your head like, what's that? I have no idea what that sound is. Cause I'm a new puppy. He got scared. Yeah. And this is actually by where I live. Dozer. It's January. Dozer, okay, whatever. Just don't look at the camera, Dozer. And not. Dozer! Dozer! Dozy, what's that? What's that? Dozer. Why are you looking down here, Dozy? It's coming from here. Dozer, what's your reaction to this? Oh, okay. That's enough about today's episode. Dozer,